Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna be looking at the exhaust manifold or header that comes on the 1NZ-FE engines. This is installed in several cars: the Yaris, some Corollas, some the first gen XBs, and a few other cars. I can't think of it off the back, but I'll put it in the description. Um. So, just a note: all these cuts and stuff you see, that don't come on it. This is just trying to do some cuts to break this away to be able to pretty much get to the exhaust manifold bolts. Because I don't know, Toyota, I don't know, they did some weird crap. I don't think this was fully thought through. But all four of these bolts is supposed to be 10 mil. These came out perfectly fine. These two is some weird size. I tried the 10 mil, it was too small. I went down to a 9. That was a little bit bigger than a 9. It's like some weird size, but also you only got like this much, literally this much space to try to get this undone. And you will be cursing and all this other stuff trying to get down to these. I couldn't get these out. So only result was doing multiple cuts, trying to cut the heat shield completely off. But keep in mind the AC lines and O2 sensor, wires, everything's, there's multiple stuff in the way. So you gotta be careful where you cutting. So all these cuts was just trying to do different angles, trying to figure out if we could just cut this away. But what it ended up doing was pretty much just bending it back and pretty much going like this to undo the bolts, the exhaust manifold bolts. So that's why it looked like Freddy Krueger Wolverine pretty much just slashed the heat shield. But so if you changing the header on the 1NZ-FE engine, these two bottom bolts are a pain. I'm not sure on the other models that this engine's installed on, if you got that much space, the same gap that's on the Yaris. If so, from my experience, just undo the top, bend this back, and work your way around. You got like that much space. And also you gotta undo the window crawl. So you gotta take out your wipers, the crawl, etc. Now, all the bolts that's on this exhaust manifold, excluding these two, are easy. Came off with a breeze. The car got 170 plus thousand miles on it. Everything came out, no issues. The only bolt that is a complete mother effer, trying not to curse, is this one. The bracket that connects to the exhaust manifold. This is the only bolt that is hard to get off. That's the only one. Besides that, everything comes off with no problem. Alright, so here's a look at Toyota's, I don't know, engineering of the exhaust manifold. If you've watched the Weapon R header videos, you can see, well, on the Weapon R, I don't got it with me, it's already installed in the car. But all the pipes are the same diameter, and it comes down straight down the middle. For some reason, if you could tell, the way Toyota does it, these pipes go down, and then these two, they're like almost 90 degree. Then, so pretty much all the pipes is coming slanted, while on the weapon R, they all coming down like this. So it's a completely different design. But this is hella restrictive. And I'll show you everything and explain why. So, look at this. All the pipes are small. So, as you can see, all the pipes. And you can see like pretty much all the angles. You could tell this wasn't mandrel bent pipes, because you can see the indents in the piping as it's curving. Now this is not the only restrictions. The pipes on these is 20, I think it was 27 millimeters, I believe. As you can see how tiny these holes are. Now, this is where it's even more restrictive. The exit. Look at that. You can see in there. You see? Try to get an angle without my finger. That's even more restrictive. So now, even though the pipes are small to begin with, they come out even smaller holes within the exhaust manifold, as you can see. Now, this is slightly lighter than the weapon R header. The weapon R header is like well, they both around 5 pounds. This is 5.12, 5.13 ounces. And the weapon R header, it's 5 pounds, 18 to 19 ounces. So it's like a 6 ounce difference. But the reason for that is the flange on the weapon R, if you watch the video, is thicker. This is like thin. But compared to the factory and the weapon R, it's like a 30% increase in diameter. So just that, I just want to show you guys, because I've searched the web and everything. Nobody's like went through to show you the factory headers, like the diameter of the pipes, the way it actually looks outside the car, for those who've never done the header on the Yaris engines or Corollas, XPs, and all that. So I figured I'll do a video, because just to tell y'all from my experience and everything else. But just swapping from the, let me turn the flash off. Just switching from the restrictive factory exhaust manifold to the weapon R, it's a huge increase. Like going up a hill, with this one, it used to bog down. If you own the Yaris, you know what I'm talking about. As soon as you start going up a hill, it'll start slowing down, even though you got it like on cruise control, set at a certain speed limit, or cruising. It'll start dropping going up the hill. With the weapon R, that pretty much not 100% eliminates it, but it's a whole lot smoother going up a hill. pickup from low end to high end. It's a whole lot better, especially with the NST lightweight pulleys, the Gates racing belt. And I've also opened up the exhaust with the high flow cats. I got rid of the 2 factory catalytic converters, replaced it with 1 single high flow cat, and then full true boiler, custom boiler, 2.5 inch exhaust. I will be doing an updated video of revving and all that. The car's snap, crackles, and pops, all that, the whole nine now that the exhaust is wide open. Can't do it now due to the issue I'm having currently. If you've seen the last 2 videos of my boiler intercooled exhaust tip on the driver's side, it failed. The welds broke loose within the intercooled pipe, so it's rattling. I've had it installed for not even a year yet, but after I done the exhaust manifold, the high flow cat, everything else, open it wide up. After I did the first pull, after I had it done, that it just broke loose on the driver's side. So my car sound like complete crap. Like, I'm embarrassed to actually sit there and press on the gas because how bad the car sounds, thanks to the driver's side one. I'm currently going through the warranty process. They should be getting back to me on Monday or Tuesday, and then someone was the following steps. So hopefully this week, if not early next week, I could get that fixed, and then I'd be happy to do the updated 0 to 60 pulls, and all that, the whole nine. But that's it with I don't think I'm missing anything. Actually, yeah. When you're doing the exhaust manifold, well, the weaponar, I stated this in the previous. Oh, actually, that's the wrong one. Actually, it is weaponar donut gasket, but it's a 2-inch one. I still got the plastic for the old one. These, I don't know why. It's probably just the bolts on mine because this is 2009. But the exhaust, I wouldn't reuse these anyway, first off. If you go to AutoZone or any website when you're looking for bolt springs, actually, here it is. There's a part number. So 2-inch and all that. If you go to carid.com, AutoZone, any part store, online or in store, what they recommend as the bolt spring for the exhaust manifold, they will not fit. So don't, just to save you guys time, don't get it. This is the bolt spring you're gonna need. I picked it up at AutoZone. It's like $6 a pack. You need 2 of these. So when you go to AutoZone, that's the part number you gotta look for on the package. I should have showed y'all this before I had the weaponar header installed, but that's the part number. That's the bolt spring that actually does fit. So save you guys some. Don't get anything that says it fits the exhaust manifold for the Yaris, because they're actually talking about the factory exhaust manifold that it fits. For the weaponar, none of them fit. So you gotta get one that's not specified for the Yaris. And that's the part number when you go to AutoZone. But I think that's everything off the bat. If not, I'll state it in the previous, well, not previous, the next video. I just figure I'll show you guys. I should have did also a side by side comparison, but I did everything separate. Wasn't really thinking. Just got it installed on the car. Everything else, now that it's nice out. But that's enough for me ranting, talking about doing all this talking. Got more to come now that the weather's nice. So installs, upgrades, it's gonna be happening a whole lot quicker now. So that's it. See you on the next one. Peace.